My name is Adam Ray and I'm based in Yahoo Research in Barcelona, and this year I've been involved in organising the placing task here at Medieval 2011. Yep, so the placing task involves trying to place media, and specifically videos, in a particular and specific geolocation on the planet. So we take a video from Flickr with no geo-coordinates, and using the visual, using the audio, using the textual components of the data, we try and derive exact latitude and longitude coordinates. And the different participants submit runs giving their coordinates, and we measure the distance that they were from the correct response. So I think this year it's been particularly interesting to see the range of approaches that the participants have taken. We've seen language modelling, we've seen information retrieval-based approaches, we've seen gazetteer-based approaches, and those which have really capitalised on the multimodal nature of the data that we've both provided and which they've gone out and gathered themselves as well. So I think the key thing this year is to see the range of approaches people have taken and the improvements upon last year's results as well. I think making sure that the kind of evaluation tasks we do are based and anchored in real use cases is very important, because we don't want to go down the route of becoming irrelevant to the community and the research that we're doing. So I think we have a good grounding, we have a good set of use cases nice and clearly defined that allow us to make sure the research is still relevant, and each year they're re-evaluated to make sure that they're still important to the community. It must be working with the range of people that we have here. It's probably a bit of a corny response, but we do have some amazing different groups from all around the world. We have some amazing researchers coming together. Having a forum like this where we can be both innovative and really push the barrier in the kind of research we do is very valuable. To provide the community with a baseline to evaluate against is very valuable for the research, but also to foster the innovation that we see is great. I think that's wonderful. Hopefully I'll be still involved in the placing task. We have some ideas about what we want to do to increase the number of participants taking part. We want to increase the kind of data we're using. We want to maybe tweak the use case a little bit. So we have a lot of ideas we want to involve in the development process. And so over the next few months we will be communicating with the participants from this year and trying to encourage new people to get involved as well and make sure that the task suits what they want to do. Well, it's very suitable for a medieval 2011, so being in a medieval kind of convent, I think it was. It's very nice. The Wi-Fi is not brilliant, but the venue is lovely, and Pisa is a wonderful place to have it based as well.